Hi guys, this is Julie from Creatures Pictures and welcome back to my channel. So my lighting is shitty like usual because I decide to do things when I feel like doing them and not prepared, but you get the point. Today I'm going to explain to you what happened to me that was just a gift from the universe who gave me my dream bookshelf right in front of my front door. I've been wanting to have a bookshelf with you know, those beautiful glass doors for so long, and I wanted something beautiful with moldings and stuff, and it's really hard to find. And in LA it's really hard to find like beautiful thrifted items that are like nearby in the city and not like super far outside the city. I took it in and it was super heavy, so it was like hardwood, and I was so happy because not only did I get my dream bookshelf, but I got to DIY piece of furniture, and that was my summer project. I'm sorry if I'm bouncing. Got rid of my office chair and I'm using like a yoga ball instead, and it's so nice, but I get to bounce. Whatever. And I hope you enjoy it, and if you do, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, comment to tell me if you liked it, if you would have liked another color. Let me know if you do like to DIY furniture as well, and what else? Yeah, follow me on Instagram. Yeah, I'm posting a bunch of stories lately on Instagram because I'm kind of trying to study astrology, and it was just a placement that I had in my chart done because I'm a Virgo rising. Astrology gets complicated, you guys. I thought it was a hobby for our grandmas, but now that I'm studying it, I'm just like giving myself headaches when really I'm really good at studying most of the time because I am a Virgo rising. When the sun is transiting in your rising sign, that means that you feel like you're feeling yourself a little more. And apparently it's rare for Virgo rising to want to put themselves forward. What was I saying? Yeah, furniture. Let's get to it. I just went to Michael's to get my paints and I'm so excited. So I bought mixing jars because I like to mix my own colors. Deep teal. And it's chalk paint. This one, which is not exactly chalk paint, it's acrylic, but it's for the inside of my furniture because since it's gonna have books and other stuff inside, I want it to be a little more like long lasting. So I'm gonna mix chalk paint with acrylic, and I think it should just hold very well. Yeah, so I took, this one is called mushroom, and it's really, no, it's called champignon in French, but which means mushroom, and it's distressing color. Well, I take it for distressing. And then I got white, the same brand. I got some brushes because I don't have any more. I got this, which is some fake grapes that I find so cute. I used to put in this one, you see, that I bought at the Goodwill the other day. That looks, it looks a little ancient Greek, ancient Grecian. So yeah, let's put over there. So I'm gonna start the furniture and I'm so happy. I'm so happy. There's no word. Like, I'm so excited. I haven't done this in years. I gotta tell you guys that we spent like about an hour in the store choosing the perfect shade of green. you go. So far it looks like this. It looks so saturated on camera. It's a little more pale in person, although no, it's actually the same. Yep. So I did part of the inside. Not completely done yet, but it looks pretty, and I cannot wait to do the rest. It's gonna be so pretty with the white. Okay, so I forgot to record, but I did put 2 coats of white already. I love how it's looking. Alright, so I wanted to do a little checkup with the paint and where I'm at right now. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but I started distressing the left side with the mushroom color, and on the right side it was just plain white. I still have to do some fixes, but it's pretty much what it looks like so far. I modified all my cutters one more time, and I think I'm not done. Yep, that's so far a little checkup. Still have to do the feet. Okay, I'm gonna try to show you while I'm doing it on this thing. So you see I applied, kind of blended, but not really. So what I do is I take it pretty much dry on the brush. So let me show you. So what I do is I'm gonna take, because this is really watery, right? So I only have one hand, but you wanna really press it down. And then you go in the middle where it's already white, you really dry out. You really dry out your brush a little more. And then you're gonna brush those edges. Kind of like you would be blending makeup. Not too much because then it removes it. Do it again. The before and the after. You can go over it and just like brush it down, and then you can take a little tissue and go back. There we go. I don't know if you see the difference. So this one is really harsh and this one is softer. Really harsh, softer. And you can keep on layering the dark one and the light one like this. I feel like this one can be blended better. I like it like that. There you go. So that's the second one done. As you can see, I didn't finish the edges yet, but as you can see, the white and the green and the plants, it's kind of cool. You see what I'm trying to do? I don't know if you guys see what I'm trying to do. I really like the idea of plants on top of this. Let me try. There you go. Do you see what I'm trying to do now? Okay, they Thanks for watching, you guys. I love you so much. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I really do like when you guys are watching my stories. So yeah, follow me on Instagram and let me know if you want to see other types of videos. Like, I've been wanting to do a house tour at some point, so maybe I'll do that. Or let me know if you would like to see me reacting to my baby pictures, because I saw a video of that like the other day. So I want to make more videos, and I'll go back to tarot once I'm done with carpet noctem, because carpet noctem is just a lot of work. So yeah, here you go. I love you so much. Come join me on Instagram.